Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can send your vouchers to an secondary exchange and sell them, or buy them there and send them to Splinterlands. So first you go to Splinterlands and click shop. Then you have to go over here to your vouchers owned and click send. Then click to Hive engine and type in the amount you want to transfer out. Simply click transfer out, sign the transaction via keychain, and then wait a little bit. Then when you look over to your wallet on hiveengine.com, you can see it takes a little bit time till they arrive, but after a few minutes you see them. Then you go over to the market, click voucher, and then you can type in the amount of vouchers you want to sell. So in this case, for example, I have my order here, 13.835. I want to sell at a price of 34.8 for 481.45 Hive. So you have to type the price in with Hive. So now you can see here the amount of vouchers we have. So we type in 3.488 vouchers, we type in the price, so I think we could go easily to 40 Hive again, but my order sits at 34.8, so my other order, and I think that's a good price, but I want to sell this amount of 3.4 for 33.8, and I click sell. They are asking, and I click sell again and confirm, and then it's on the market. So if you want to buy them and send them to your Splinterlands account, it's the same way around. So, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, please leave a like and a comment down below, and then we see us in the next video. Bye bye.